So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're going over an email that the Uber CEO just sent me. I was like, dang, Dara, I didn't know you were a fan of the Rideshare Hub. Hey, Dara, if you're watching this, smash the thumbs up button, hit that baby. If you're watching this and you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, if you just are like watching my videos, please hit the thumbs up button. I do appreciate it. It does help me out a lot. I'm in the process of moving. So yeah, I'm taking the time out of my day to still film and edit. So I would appreciate you guys if you could smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. Helps me out, helps you out, helps everybody out. It's a win-win situation. And it's only a little bit. This video is not sponsored, so if you could just hit the thumbs up button, the video can be sponsored by the thumbs up button. Okay, here we go. Without further ado, what did the Uber CEO send me an email about? Well, it's about Prop 22, and you should have got this email as well if you're an active Uber driver. If you haven't been deactivated yet, which, by the way, link down below. If you were deactivated, you can get your account back to sign up with a company called Cover. They help drivers get reactivated, and they give drivers paid time off too, which is cool. You don't have to pay back the money too. There's a lot of people were saying, oh, it's just a loan, Dylan, it's just a loan. No, paid time off, you get your income replaced 80%. You don't have to pay that money back. It's included in the service. And you get 30 days for free if you use my link down below. Okay, here we go. So this is the email explaining what Prop 22 is fighting for. So this is huge, huge. Uber and Lyft, DoorDash and Instacart, Postmates, they've all invested within $110 million. So they put in $110 million total, these gig apps, to promote this prop, which basically would save hundreds of thousands of jobs and keep drivers able to earn flexibly, and basically, you know, keep staying an independent contractor. Look at that face, bruh. Do we look alike? What do you guys think? Do you think we look alike? Maybe he can be my dad. Dara the daddy. He goes, Dylan, you might as well say, son, I wanted to personally reach out after a confusing, stressful week for you and the other California drivers. Thank you, Dara. I recognize that the possibility of Uber and other rideshare platforms shutting down could have not come at a worse moment. Yes, that's true. We rely on this money and you threaten to shut it down. With no warning to us drivers. Like, yeah, we're going to probably shut down this week, so yeah, all you guys who rely on us for income, yeah, probably not do that anymore. He goes, so I want to tell you what we are fighting for. Last week's potential shutdown was due to the court order based on AB 5 passed by the California legislature, which prohibits rideshare drivers from working as independent contractors. Those in favor of AB 5 say that all drivers should be employees in order to get more benefits and stronger protections. We agree that the status quo isn't working and that you deserve better protections and benefits, but we don't think that you should be forced into traditional employment to get them. With employment, Uber would look like every other job. You would likely have to apply to drive, and only 10 to 30% of drivers on the road would be hired. Wow. So they're gonna deny 60 or 70 to 90%. Most likely, earnings would be fixed, scheduled would be set, and using multiple apps would not be allowed. You can't do other apps. I spoke with drivers about this recently, and they told me this is not what they want. You can watch the clip here. This is why Prop 22 is on the ballot. Prop 22 protects your right to choose flexible work as an independent contractor while providing new benefits like guaranteed minimum earnings, new health benefits for drivers who work at least 15 hours per week, occupational accident insurance to cover injuries and illnesses on the job. Prop 22 will give you more benefits while letting you continue to work whenever, wherever, and however you want. That's why 72% of drivers and delivery people support Prop 22 and why we are fighting so hard for it. You'll be hearing more from us over the next few weeks as we continue our efforts to protect independent work in California. If you want to learn more about Yes on Prop 22, you can join more than 97,000 other drivers by signing up here. I already did sign up, by the way. So I'm getting those emails. Today and every day, thank you for all you do. Look at that sexy signature, that Dara Koshahari. Wow, the Uber CEO sent me an email, and he paid for the email too, apparently. I feel special. No, I don't really. But this is interesting news because am I voting yes or no? I'm 100% voting yes. I probably shouldn't state my opinion on here because now I'm going to get thumbs downs on the videos. But at the same time, you heard that number that he threw out, 10 to 30%. So I selfishly want to keep my job. And I know a lot of other drivers do work part-time. And so a lot of those part-time drivers, I'm sorry, but you know, the way that this channel runs is would be really, you know, negatively affected if I'm in California and if I can only work for one app. I mean, I probably would honestly go with Uber just to, you know, stick to my guns here, but I wouldn't be able to do Lyft. I wouldn't be able to do any of the other apps. So that is concerning for me. It is a little bit scary. And on the other hand, the Prop 22 does sound decent. I'll just go, it should, prop22facts.com. There is a, yeah, there's a it's called like Yes on, yeah, I mean, there's a website that says all of the read the initiative text here. I mean, it doesn't sound bad. Like, yeah, guaranteed minimum earnings, there's no cap. And I don't want that schedule. Like, I'm not going to sign up and drive 40 hours per week. No, thank you. Maybe for the channel. I mean, I might try it out, but like for long term, no way, Jose. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Even if you're not in California, you know, these if it does, you know, get passed in California or not get passed and drivers have to become employees, this could be adopted nationwide. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Leave the video with a big thumbs up. Again, I would really appreciate that if you did. So smash the like button, smack it if you want, whatever, turn it blue. And yeah, again, this video is sponsored by the thumbs up button. So go ahead and click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all shortly. Have a great day, guys. Bye.